Welcome everyone to Home Cooking is for the Birds. We hope you enjoy our videos. We hope you stick around and subscribe, and please share them. So let's get started. If you're following along with me, you're going to need a small saucepan, and we are going to add 1.5 cups of water, and then we are going to turn the stovetop eye on high in order to boil. And once it reaches a full boil, you're not going to believe what I used. I used instant potatoes to make this yummy potato salad. It was so quick. Just pour those potato flakes in there, give it a stir. Be careful, that will pop out and burn you. Been there, done that. Transfer those potatoes into a bowl. You might want a nice dish if you're taking it somewhere. Add 3 heaping tablespoons of salad dressing. You can use mayonnaise if you prefer. And then we're going to add some yellow mustard. Add 2 heaping tablespoons of yellow mustard. Did you know they use instant potatoes in Pringles to make them? I just thought that was really interesting to know. And I'm adding 6 heaping tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. Also, instant potatoes did not come around, well, they didn't gain popularity until 1962. Another interesting fact. So I cut up half of an onion and I diced it, and I am adding this to it. I am just eyeballing this. You do you. You may not like onions. Some people don't like the texture of them. You can add onion powder, or you can even puree an onion. I'm just stirring this around. Do not stir this vigorously because we're just trying to make this chunky. We're not trying to cream potatoes. I added a little more onion and a little bit more sweet pickle relish. I'm trying not to get as much juice into it. Again, we don't want these creamy, even though they are instant mashed potatoes, but we're trying to make them chunky. Then, in order to make these look chunky, I did add some salt. That's optional if you want to add salt. But in order to make these chunky, I just took my spoon and I actually just started poking holes in it, separating it, to kind of make it look more authentic, like it was really, I had worked hard to make this potato salad. Then I garnished it with paprika. Look at that, looks great. Put a lid on it. Then you'll want to put it in the refrigerator to get it cold. I left it in there about 4 hours. It was even great the next day. But clean up that bowl when you serve it, or you could put it in a nice dish if you're taking it to a gathering. My husband came home. It was hubby approved. He thought I made homemade potato salad, and when I told him what it was, he was surprised, and he said it tasted so good.